Welcome to today's deep dive. We have a pretty unique piece of source material to look at today.
Yeah, it's a highly detailed catalog and product page directly from HDTVSUPPLY.
Right. And we are specifically focusing on the Just Add Power VBS-HDIP-715POE 2G ohm 3G plus transmitter, which is
Quite the name.
it really is a mouthful. But okay, let's unpack this. Our mission today is to decode the intimidating world of high-end AV distribution networks.
And we're going to uncover the surprising reason why some of this premium tech gear keeps its price tag a complete secret.
Exactly. Because when you think about commercial AV setups scaling to, massive sports bars.
Or big corporate campuses.
Yeah, moving that high-quality video and audio as network data completely changes the game.
It does. It's a completely different infrastructure requirement than traditional point-to-point HDMI setups.
So to break down what this device actually does without getting bogged down in all the jargon, it takes an HD video signal up to 1080p and pairs it with top-tier lossless audio.
Like Dolby Atmos.
Right, Dolby Atmos. And it encodes all of that to travel over a standard network.
And a really memorable detail here is that it's powered via PoE, or Power over Ethernet.
Meaning a single cable handles both the data and the power.
Exactly. Installers can bypass dedicated electrical runs entirely.
Which is a massive advantage when you are scaling to hundreds of displays in a commercial grid.
Because you look at that HDTVSUPPLY catalog, and you really see that scalability in action.
Yeah, I noticed it can support setups for up to 160 TVs.
It's incredible.
But how does a single unit manage that kind of massive traffic without breaking a sweat?
Well, if we connect this to the bigger picture, this isn't just a simple splitter. It's a hybrid transmitter that mixes seamlessly with their 2G and 3G series products.
Oh, so that modularity is what lets users build those massive custom AV matrices.
Right. And it includes advanced features like image, PH, HPL, and POP, which means a sports bar operator can instantly drag and drop a live game from one screen to a massive video wall.
Without any noticeable lag at all.
Yes.
The source also notes a very specific 170 millisecond audio delay on the stereo output.
That's the buffer they need to ensure the roar of the crowd perfectly syncs up with the visual of a touchdown across all 160 screens on the network.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting. With all of that enterprise-level capability packed into one unit, you would expect a huge price tag right on the page.
But you won't find one.
Right, it's completely missing from the webpage, and it's not a glitch.
No, it's a strict control mechanism by Just Add Power. They prohibit authorized dealers from showing prices online.
The site explicitly warns that if you do see a price advertised somewhere, that site is not an authorized vendor.
And buying from an unauthorized source actually voids your 3-year warranty instantly.
Wow, so you actually have to pick up the phone and call a number like 833-WOLF-PACK just to get a quote.
Which forces the buyer into a direct consultation to make sure the network is actually spec'd correctly for the gear.
So what does all of this mean for you? If you are ever upgrading a home theater or specing out a business setup, understanding AV over IP architecture ensures you build a scalable system.
And navigating those strict manufacturer pricing rules means you won't accidentally void your warranty through some unauthorized gray market seller.
Right. Because high-end AV is clearly moving from messy webs of cables to these streamlined, infinitely scalable network grids.
It's the future of the industry.
Which leaves us with a final provocative thought for you to ponder. As professional-grade video distribution shifts entirely to standard network cables, how long will it be until the traditional HDMI cable becomes completely obsolete in our everyday homes?